What's up? In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you can do on the TRX to build better shoulders.
This exercise is suspension reverse fly. This motion is a very tough motion for most people as they draw their hands away from the body, keeping the arms straight and using the middle of the back to squeeze those shoulder blades back while lifting yourself towards the anchor point. This exercise is highly advanced. This is the overhead shoulder press or handstand push-up. This is a highly advanced movement and requires a lot of shoulder strength and a lot of balance at the same time.
Chuck is performing the suspension high pull. For this, you want to make sure that your heels are anchored into the ground. You're pulling the handles up to your traps or your upper shoulders. You should feel this in your upper back and you should get good scapular retraction or your shoulder blades in the back retracting behind you.
There's not many overhead motions for the suspension trainer.